Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning, children.
Morning.
Yes, yesterday we did format of a formal letter. Did you all write it in your notebooks?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then did we discuss one type of letter, letter to the editor, or I discussed both the letters with your section, business letter and editor? Both I have done, or I have done only one?
Letter.
Tell me, did we do this? Letter to the editor was already discussed. 10th B,
Yes.
please answer.
Was discussed.
And this letter placing order?
No, ma'am.
This was not discussed. Fine. But before I go on to letter placing orders, I want you people to do one for me today. One paragraph each we'll write. Corrections of the mistakes have to be done. Let's write a letter to the editor. Your address, please note down, is 15 Civil Lines, Bareilly. Sender's address, please note down, 15 Civil Lines, Bareilly. This is 15 Civil Lines, Bareilly. Then today's date. You're writing a letter to the editor, the Hindustan Times. Okay, take Times of India only, otherwise you'll get confused. So 15 Civil Lines. Let me revise this with you very quickly. Sender's address is 15 Civil Lines, Bareilly. Put today's date. You're writing a letter to the editor, the Times of India. And the subject is, listen to the subject. You people want to give some suggestions for subject? Tell me. Any suggestions? Can we have frequent power cuts? Can we have this as the topic? What do you mean by frequent power cuts? What does this mean? Frequent power cuts in our locality. What does this mean? Electricity problem. What does the word frequent power cut mean?
Electricity problem.
Yes. Okay. We have a lot of problem in our society these days because of power cuts. When electricity goes off, that is known as a power cut. So you'll be basically writing this letter for this only. I'll give you 2-3 minutes. You will write sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, and the introductory paragraph and post on the group. Listen again, receiver's address, date. So sorry, sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, and the first 2 lines. Quickly. Write it, post it on the group. Raise your hands and tell me that, ma'am, I'm posting. Hurry up, I'm waiting. I've already revised. I already
Ma'am,
revised it.
where
Yes,
we
Peter.
have to write.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, can you tell again?
The sender's address is 15 Civil Lines, Bareilly. Today's date. Receiver's address is going to be the same. The editor, the Times of India. The subject is frequent power cuts. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So subject is frequent power cuts. So what you need to write and post first? Sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, subject, and the first 2 lines. How we start through the column of your newspaper, esteemed daily, that part. Hurry up. First part, quickly. Raise your hands. Tell me that, ma'am, I have done, so that you can post in the group and I can check. I'm not telling you to write the entire letter. Only the format upper things and the first 2 lines. Write, post, raise your hands.
Ma'am, do we have to write the year?
No, beta, avoid writing here. Just write 20XX.
Okay, ma'am.
See, beta, if you will not write, we will only keep on discussing orally. At least one this thing you write for editor, then I'll move on to the second type of letters. It's no point if you don't practice ourselves writing a letter. How will you get to know your mistakes? Hurry up. And when you're done, you're about to post, please tell me.
Ma'am, instead of writing New Delhi, we should write Bareilly in that the
Yes,
editor
anything
assigned.
that's absolutely okay, beta. You can change the city name. That's absolutely okay. But the way you write should be correct. That's the
Okay,
only
ma'am.
thing I'll be checking. If you want, you can change the address also. Be very careful of how to write the address, which letter has to be capital, which has to be small. Take care of all these things. I hope you all are writing, not disappearing, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Good.
there's a black screen on that.
Oh, something is coming on the screen. Anyways, Bachi, you don't have to see and write. Let me see. I'll have to see the laptop. Just give me 2 minutes. By the time you people continue, you don't, you plan your own, no? Otherwise, also, let's do it. What is this? It's okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You can just take the help from here. Otherwise, you have to plan it yourself only. Okay? Hurry up, I'm waiting. I hope there's no confusion. Huh? You have to just write the address, date, subject, and the first two lines. That's it.
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
posted.
okay. All of us will first read what she has posted. Try and find if you can find any mistake. Let's read, huh? Okay. 15 comma civil lines. Very good. Beta, L of lines should be capital. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Keep doing the corrections. 15 civil lines is perfect. C of civil and L of lines should be capital. The first letter should be capital. C is already capital, I think. For civil, C is capital now.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Pin code is missing in Bareilly. After Bareilly, write the pin code, write 123 XXX. Simple.
Okay, ma'am.
May 28, date is perfect. The editor, The Times of India, very good. Bareilly. Again, pin code you write, dear sir. Subject, frequent power cuts. Very good. Fine. Here also you should have taken P and C capital in the subject.
Okay,
Otherwise, this
ma'am.
is correct. I, on behalf of the residents of Bareilly, wish to draw your kind attention towards our grievance. There is a very huge problem due to frequent power cuts. Very good. Very, very good. Good, bache. Good effort. Just do the
Thank you,
corrections.
ma'am.
Others, very good, bacha. Others, I'm still waiting. Hurry up, please. Please tell me you finished. Hurry up, hurry up.
I'm
I'm
finished.
still waiting. Whoever posts, please let me know. You just can do the corrections. You can overwrite on the same thing. No need to write again. Do the correction there only, beta.
I'm posted.
Okay, all of you also read. I am also reading. Tell me if you find any mistakes. Hurry up, children, read. Let's find if we can see if there are some mistakes or not. Read what Akshada has written. Oh, did you find anything? Let us read. 15 civil lines, Bareilly. The pin code is missing in Bareilly, beta. Write the pin in Bareilly. Okay, Akshada?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so one thing that we need to write is pin. You can simply write 123 XXX, 28th May, perfect. The editor, the Times of India, perfect. Bareilly, again the pin has to be done. Dear sir, power cut estimate. Estimate is not the correct word. You could have mentioned problem of power cut, something like this. Huh? Change this subject. Subject
Okay,
is
ma'am.
not appropriate. Through the columns of columns, nahi beta, it's column. Cut the S. Through the column of your, it is not columns, it is column. So cut S. Through the column of your esteemed daily, I would like to express my opinion with a reference report claiming Bareilly to be the power cut estimate city. Power cut,
Power cut, ma'am. Estimates
you
are
could have
not.
written that to be Bareilly the maximum power cut city, something like this.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
I mentioned that in the report, it was there that Bareilly had maximum power cut, something like this. Just remove the word estimate. That's not
Okay,
very
ma'am.
appropriate over here. Very good. Do some changes here only, Akshada. Very good. I'm still waiting for others. Hurry up. Only 2 students have posted. Beta, both of you write the second paragraph now. Those 2 who have posted the first paragraph will write about the second paragraph. Give all the details that all the problems that you people are facing. Because of what? Because of power cuts. You people write the second paragraph. These 2 girls are writing the second paragraph. Beta, you people write the first and post quickly. I'm waiting.
I will post it.
Okay, you should tell me so that we can go back to the group and check. Let's see what is posted. Nikhil has posted. Fine. Let us read what Nikhil has posted. 15 civil lines, Bareilly. Nikhil, Bareilly should be towards the left, near the margin. Okay? Can you see there is some space between your margin?
Yes, ma'am.
You have see, you have left some space to write Bareilly. This should not happen. इसकी भी marks cut हो जाते हैं. You have to stick to the margin. So Bareilly should be towards left, very close to the red line, the margin that you have. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, May 28, 20XX, perfect. The editor, the Times of India, Bareilly, very good. Pin should not be written in the brackets. Huh? Don't put brackets for pin. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So you can do these changes. Abhi, I'll tell you more. Let me see. Bareilly should be left towards the margin. We should not have brackets for the pins. Dear sir, subject, frequent power cuts. Very good. Through the column of your esteemed daily, I would like to express my opinion with reference to a report claiming Bareilly to be the frequent power cut city. You can write Bareilly to be the frequent power cut city. Just add on the word city so that the sentence becomes clear. Rest everything is fine. Very good. Do the corrections in the same page and write the second paragraph, Nikhil. Excellent. Anyone else who has posted? Hurry up. All three of you who posted the first paragraph, write the second paragraph in which you give details. What are problems the people are facing because of power cuts? Others, let me know when you're posting the first one. Hurry up, bache. Most of you have not even finished the first one. Very surprising.
Well, actually, I'm doing second paragraph.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, does repercussions mean effects?
The consequences, the effects.
Okay, ma'am.
You can use your own words, Peter.
Yes, ma'am, but I just read
That
that.
is fine.
I was
Good. Good that you should ask. Hurry up, Peter. First paragraph, those who have not written need to hurry up. Those who finish the first paragraph, when you post the second one, let me know.
I have posted the second one also.
Excellent. Let's read. Very good. Too good. Let's read the second paragraph, what she's written quickly. So main problems have been described. Let's go back. Okay, Kapil has also posted. You did not tell me only. Kapil, you should have told me. 205 civil lines, Bareilly. Okay, Kapil, are you there? Can you hear me? Yes. I don't know. Am I
He's
audible or
not in the
not?
meeting. Ma'am, he's not in the meeting.
Oh, but he posted and then he disappeared. Anyways, when he joins, I'll take him back. Akshada has posted the second paragraph. What heading you've given? Power cut problem. Okay. It is a major concern that the frequent power cut problem is increasing by a huge margin. Because of power cut in the city, there are so many problems. You need to describe the problems, Akshada. Now we have to describe the problems. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Describe the problems in detail now. What all problems do people face when there is a power cut? And if there is a power cut
But
at
ma'am,
night,
what will be there in the third paragraph?
third beta, we will just request the concerned authorities to take an action. And if you have some suggestions, you can give. Second
Okay.
paragraph, we talk about the problems. In the third paragraph, you can give your suggestions and you can request the concerned authorities to do something for the problem. This is how we conclude. Hurry up, bachas. I'm still waiting. And whatever you're posting, please let me know on the group first so that I can go to the group and check. Think always that supposing there is a power cut, then what problems will be there? Especially you can write that if there's a power cut at night, so there are increasing cases of robbery, theft, these kind of things.
Ma'am, I have done the second paragraph.
Very good. So let's read what he has written, children. So you should always read what others write because that is how you'll get clue for yourself. Okay, Nikhil has posted. Let's read what Nikhil has written. We are suffering from the problem from several days. We are not getting proper electric current for our work. We are not able to use our gadgets good because of this load shedding, and thus we have become digitally blind. In this hot and humid summer, we are frequently falling ill. Very good, good genuine points. Also not getting a proper sleep. Students are the most sufferers of this problem. Frequent power cuts in our area have become a very big problem in our day-to-day life. Very good, Nikhil. You thought on practical terms. Very good. These are the general common things which we feel. I think the word limit will be fine, 120 words. Now you can give your concluding paragraph, Nikhil. You will give your suggestions, what all can be done, that there should be no power cuts. And if there's a problem, if the power cut has to be done, then the timing should be appropriate. You can give this suggestion. And you can also give suggestions to the concerned authorities that police patrolling should be increased, especially if there is a power cut at night. Because there could be cases of chain snatching and theft, dacoity, and all those things. So I request the concerned authorities to please look into the matter and take an action. Write the concluding paragraph, beta. Good boy. Very good, very good. Hurry up, children. I'm still waiting.
Ma'am, please check. I have posted on the group.
Okay, fine, very good. If you posted, we'll read it. Anamta has posted. Somebody else has also posted. After Anamta, who has posted?
Dhananjay.
Dhananjay, residents of Bareilly, withdraw your kind attention, please. Due to this problem of cuts, very serious effects could be noticed on health, both mental as well as physical. Very good. Some of the major problems we are facing are children not able to complete, are they not able to complete their homework? Okay, let's read. Aged are unable to get proper rest. Kitchen chores are disrupted. Very good. I humbly request you to look into this matter, send someone to examine the situation and take necessary action for getting all the problems resolved. We shall be grateful to you, thanking you in anticipation. But the rest, everything is correct. But this has to be changed. You have written, I humbly request you. Okay, not you. Editor will not be able to do anything. He's a newspaper man. He will not be able to solve your problem. So you should write, I humbly request the concerned authorities. The only change which is needed in the letter. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Because editor is a person who is taking care of his job in the newspaper. He will not be able to do anything to help you when it is a power cut problem or a change, any problem. Editor will not be able to help you. Editor can only print or publish your letter in the newspaper. That's all he can do. So the only change which is needed in the letter is very good. What it should be? I request the concerned
To look into the matter.
authorities. Yes, I request the concerned authorities, not the editor. Okay, now let's read what Dhananjay has written. Let's read. Very good, Aramta, just change that. Let's read what he has written. 91 Subhash Nagar, Bareilly. Pin code is missing, Dhananjay? Yes? Can you hear me, Dhananjay? Dhananjay, am I audible? Dhananjay, are you there in the meeting, beta? What happened? He's not able to hear me. What is the issue? See the Times of India, T should be capital. I'm speaking, maybe he's able to hear me and I'm not getting his voice. Bareilly, the pin code is missing. ST should not be written on the power of 1, it should be written on the line. Times of India, T should be capital, times. Then subject should not be written this side of the margin. Frequent power cuts, the subject is okay. Frequent power cuts in our area have become a very big problem in our day-to-day life. Good. There is hardly any area which is not affected by this problem. The whole society and system are paralyzed. Okay, very good. Nice words. We are suffering from problem from several days. Good. Nicely written. We aren't getting proper electronic current for our work. It has become a headache, thereby obstructing our daily life routine. Oh, good vocabulary he has used. Good. We are able to use our gadgets. We have in this form